Hi guys. So today it's super simple, easy class. What you're going to be doing is some independent study. So this is reviewing for your quiz that you're going to be having tomorrow. And you're going to want to make sure that you're able to answer some questions. And kind of look through your notes. There is a study guide that you have in your Schoology that you can use to help guide you for what's going to be on the quiz tomorrow, so you can study and feel prepared. This is due. This is part of an assignment that is due that you will be graded on. So if you do not complete it and do not turn it in, you will not get points for that. So make sure you do get that done. So let's move on to kind of what questions you're going to be asked. These are the main questions. These are going to be key. What does the fossil record tell us about how life has changed over time? Now, I've asked you guys this question a million times, and the reason why is because it's essential, it's important. So remember, our fossil records tell us life has changed over time. It tells us when things existed. It tells us how things have evolved. It tells us the habitats they lived on, the ecosystems. These fossil records are extremely important for us to understand our history and how life existed in the past. So make sure you're able to define that and understand that. So when you answer that question, you're very clear and concise. Number two, what evidence is there that the fossil record for existence, diversity, extinction, and all the changes in life form throughout Earth's history? Again, very similar to kind of what I mentioned before, is we need to understand the evidence that is there. We understand that there's bones and shells and teeth that provide a record of existence. We understand extinction because of things that were habitat, where they lived. We understand the diversity, the what's different among the things that existed because of how they were created and who they are and how they lived. We also understand how things have changed over time, like the fish we talked about. They started with fins and now they have feet. Even humans, people think we were monkeys, and now we're walking on two legs, and we can talk and walk and do all these other things. But these are things that are important for us to understand our Earth's history. So make sure you can answer these focused questions. Another important thing just to remember for your summary is you want to make sure that what does the fossil record help us explain why there's so much diversity of life on Earth? You're going to want to be able to answer this question as well. This is kind of the summary section in the end of your review. So there's some sentence starters there to kind of help guide you in your answers. You can use one or both of them or none at all, but these are just things to kind of get you started. Make sure that you utilize the tools I've given you to kind of help you understand and study for your quiz, and make sure that you have all your assignments turned in. Even if you haven't done so, or you forgot to turn something in, or something's missing, still turn it in so you can get some points. You might not get them all, but at least you can get some points. So make sure you get them turned in. And remember, you have a quiz tomorrow, so study up. It'll be on Schoology. So if you have questions or need more time to study, you need to email me today ahead of time. So maybe we can come up with a plan and an explanation as to why you need more time. But feel free to reach out to me if you have questions or need more clarification on something from the review. Other than that, good studying and good luck tomorrow.